Welcome back to HB School Max. This is Harish Babu. Today's video class is based on addition and subtraction of integers. Okay, the basic concepts of integers I explained in the previous video. You can go through that. Okay, so I'll tell you some important tips. Okay, for learning addition and subtraction. So how can we make it easier? Okay, let us see this video. Okay, see here addition and subtraction of integers. ADDITION. Addition and subtraction. SUBTRACTION. Addition and subtraction of integers. Okay, of integers. Okay, positive and negative numbers, everything in the previous section we have learned already. Okay, so we are going to learn about signed numbers only. How when signed numbers are there, how can we add and subtract only we are going to learn. So you just keep in your mind only just two things only, just keep in your mind. Okay, I'll tell you that one. So whenever you see same sign, okay, whenever you see same sign, okay, you just add them. Okay, and whenever you see different sign, okay, different sign, you just subtract them. Okay, so only these two things if you just keep in your mind, addition and subtraction will be easy. Okay, so addition and subtraction in textbook it is not there. Addition and subtraction same rule we can say. So I'll tell you how it is now. Some addition questions sometimes we will do subtraction. Some subtraction questions sometimes we will do addition because of the sign of an integer. Okay. So how it is, let us know that one. So I told you same sign. Same sign means positive and positive or negative and negative. That is same sign. I told you now same sign, positive and positive or negative and negative. Different sign means positive and negative or negative and positive. That is different sign. Okay. So how can you understand a number is positive? You know how a number will be positive. If a number is positive, a plus symbol before the number, otherwise a no symbol before the number. If a number is a negative number, a minus sign will be left side of the integer. Okay, listen here. I'll write a group of positive and negative numbers here. Okay, so 2 plus 4 minus 3 minus 8 plus 9 minus 10. See here, a group of or a set of positive and negative integers I written here. See 2. Left side of 2 any sign, no sign, which means it is a positive integer, and 4 it is a positive integer because a plus symbol before 4, and 3 it is negative, 8 it is negative, 9 it is positive, 10 it is negative. Like that you should understand or you should differentiate the positive and negative integers. Okay, so after that okay, let us add and subtract. Okay, some questions, see here, suppose one simple example, 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3 answer 4, we know that one, but once you see here, 1 it is a positive number only, left side of 1 there is no sign, so it is a positive number, and 3 left side of 3 a plus symbol, so it is a positive, both are same sign only, so what will you do, we will add. Okay, 3 plus 1, 4 is the answer. Okay, and next one is minus 2 minus 4, see here 2, left side of 2 there is a minus sign, so 2 is negative, and left side of 4 a minus sign, so that is also negative. So these two same sign only. If same sign comes, what will you do, we have to add the two numbers, which means the absolute value of the two integers you should add. Absolute value means in the previous class I told you, okay, irrespective of the sign of an integer, what is the original value of an integer, that is absolute value of an integer, means without considering the sign of the integer, that is absolute value. Okay, so 4 and 2, absolute value 4 and this minus 1 and minus 2 is 4 and 2. Add them. Okay, why adding? Because same sign we have seen here, 2 is negative, 4 is negative, so same sign we have to add them. Okay, so 4 plus 2 answer is 6, but we added negative integers here. Negative integers we added now, see for 4 and minus 2, 4 and 2 are negative only, so the answer is minus, final answer is minus 6. Okay, because whenever we add positive integers, answer is positive. If we add negative integers, answer is negative. Okay, another one question, see here, minus 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 2, what is the answer? See, these all integers are negative integers only, just add them, their absolute values just add. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 2 7. Okay, and we add negative integers only, so answer is minus 7. Correct only, no? Minus 7. Okay, another one question, see here, minus 3 minus 2 minus 5, what is the answer? 3 plus 2, these all integers negative only, no? Just add them, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 5 10, but the answer is negative, minus 10. Okay, so whenever you see same sign somewhere, so you have to find out whether the integer is a positive integer or negative integer. If it is same sign, you just add them. Different sign, you subtract them. Okay, now let us learn different sign. Okay, see here, 5 minus or 15 minus 2. One simple question. 15 minus 2 answer 13 only, we know that one, but one simple question I'll tell you. 15 it is positive. Correct only, no. And 2, a minus sign before 2. So different sign. See, one number positive, one number negative. Different sign came, no. What will you do? We have to subtract them. So these two things you just keep in your mind. Okay, don't forget. Don't write in paper or somewhere. You write on your mind only. Okay. Same sign and if you see same sign, add. Different sign, subtract. Same sign, add. Different sign, subtract. Same sign, add. Different sign, subtract. Like that you just keep in your mind. Okay. So 15 and 2, different sign only, subtract them. 15 minus 2. Every time we can subtract a smaller number from a greater number only. So a greater number minus smaller number we will do. Okay. So 15 minus 2, answer is 13. And you have to see which integer is greater here. 15 or 2 is greater. The absolute value of 15 or 2 is greater. Absolute value means avoid the sign. Hide the sign and check. 15 or 2 greater. Here no sign means positive number only. Okay. 15 is greater. It is positive. So answer is positive. Okay. So, minus 15 plus 2, one question, minus 15 plus 2. 15 is negative, answer is, 15 is negative and 2 is positive. Okay. So, different sign only, no, one number positive, one number negative, different sign. What will you do? We will subtract the integers. So, you don't subtract some other things. Every time, different sign came also, big number minus small number only. Whenever we are subtract, suppose in a box 2 chocolates are there. Someone is telling to take 10 chocolates from there. You cannot take like that only. We can subtract a greater number minus a smaller number only. Okay. So 15 minus 2 is subtract. Suppose if these are greater numbers, you have to write in working order and you have to calculate it. Okay, 15 minus 2 like that. And we are subtracting 15 minus 2 only, no. But don't write here 15 minus 2. Then it is a wrong answer only because 15 became positive here. Okay, like that you don't write. Calculation we are doing 15 minus 2 only, but don't write that step here. Okay, 15 minus 2 like that you don't write, but actually calculation 15 minus 2 only, but don't write here. Okay, the sign will be changed, the answer will be wrong. Okay, so 15 minus 2 answer is 13 only, and you see absolute value means hide the sign and check. 15 and 2 we hide. Sorry, sign of 15 and 2 we hide. Which is greater? 15 greater. Then take the hand from near 15. It is minus. So keep a minus sign there. Minus 13. Okay, understood? No. So absolute value which integer is greater? Its sign will be the sign of the answer. Okay, so 15 negative, so answer is negative. Another one question here, minus 10 plus 2. See here, different sign, subtract. Answer is 8. 10 minus 2 is 8 only. 10 is greater, absolute value of 10 is greater, it is negative, answer is negative. See here, minus 10 plus 5, different sign, subtract, 5 is answer there, minus 10. So 10 is greater, so its sign is negative, answer is negative. You understand? Different sign comes. So some other questions I will do here. So listen carefully, whenever same sign, you have to add different sign, you have to subtract. Okay, another one question, see 2 minus 10. See a small number minus a greater number. I told you, every time we can subtract a greater number minus smaller number only. But when such a type of question comes, you automatically think that, or you have to think that, okay, the answer will be negative because small minus a greater number. No. Otherwise, you just think same sign or different sign. Okay, 2 and 10. 10 is negative, 2 is positive. Different sign, then subtract. Don't subtract 2 minus 10, we cannot do that one. Okay, 10 big number minus smaller number. 10 minus 2 answer is 8. And hide the sign, both signs you hide. And which number greater? 10 greater. Take hand from there, minus. Answer is negative, minus 8. Okay, and 3 minus 5. See here, 3 minus 5, different sign only. Then subtract. 5 minus 3, answer is 2. And 5 is greater. The absolute value of 5 is greater. It is negative. Answer is negative. Okay, like that. Understood? No? So when same sign and different sign comes, so this many questions I don't know, everything understood? No? So 1 minus 10, what is the answer? 1 minus 10, 10 minus 1 is 9 and 10 is negative, so answer is negative, minus 9. Okay, like that, so many questions I will give you, okay, after some time. You must have a pen and paper. I will give you a few questions after some time, so you have to answer for that. Okay, so understood? No, addition and subtraction, that much only simple this is actually. Most of the children while entering 6th standard or 7th standard, you will think that one it is more difficult or integer portion like that. That much only. See, two numbers are there. See, minus 2 plus 3, one question game. What will you do? Different sign, same sign, different sign. Subtract 3 minus 2, answer is 1. 3, absolute value of 3 is greater, it is positive, so answer is positive. Either you can keep plus symbol, otherwise if you are not keeping also, it is correct only, because for a positive number we will avoid plus symbol before the number. Okay, that is easy, no? So some group of positive and negative number comes, what will you do? Let us check that one. Okay, suppose 1 plus 3 minus 5 plus 2. See, a group of positive and negative numbers are there for calculation. Find or solve or evaluate this question. What will you do? You know, so imagine that positive numbers are apples and okay, and the negative numbers are oranges. You think oranges? Okay, both round shape only. That's why I am now drawing that. Okay. So positive numbers are apples only, no? find all the apples here. So 1 apple, 3 apple only, remaining 2 are also apple only, positive numbers are only now. Find out all the positive numbers and write them at first, okay. So 1 positive number, 3 positive number and 2 is positive number only, okay. So these 3 apples we found from here. Okay, it's like that we can separate the, suppose someone is giving you some fruits for separating, apple and orange mix is there, separate all the apples, you can find out that one, all the apples first you arranged, all the oranges you can arrange it another side, okay, like that all the apples we arranged means all the positive numbers we arranged, and all the oranges here -5, that is the orange here, okay, so -5 we can write, understand, -5 written. Now so what we have done first, when a group of positive and negative numbers are there, arrange all the positive numbers, arrange all the negative integers, okay, and afterwards add, find the positive sum, then find the negative sum, both you subtract, that much only, okay. So positive sum means find the positive numbers and add them, okay. So 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 6, and one negative number only, we cannot do any calculation there because one more negative number is there, that also we will add and we will write the sum here, okay. Negative number -1, -1, -2, -3, -3, -6, -6, -6, -12, -1, -1, -1, -3. Like that, when negative numbers, a group of negative numbers are there, just simply add them and put minus sign, okay, for getting the answer, okay. So 6 minus 5, see final answer. Now here say big number minus small number only, otherwise you think same, here you don't think same sign or different sign, okay. When only 2 numbers are there, then you can think same sign or different sign, okay. So 6 minus 5, so answer is 6 is positive, answer is positive. So after learning this chapter, somebody will think 6 minus 5, that also some negative number, like that you may think, everywhere you will keep minus sign, like that you don't think, okay. So you must find out big number 6, it is positive, answer is positive, same sign add, different sign subtract, that much only, okay. Another one question I will give you, okay, a group of positive and a negative numbers here. So 4 minus 3 minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 5, okay. Here a group of positive and negative numbers. So what will you do? Add a very positive number or separate them, 4 positive only, and then I will underline that 4 positive, 1 positive, 5 positive. Add the 4 plus 1, 5. Or separate you will write plus 5 and plus 5. Now write all the negative integers. This is negative, so -3, this is negative, -2 and -2 also, one more -2 also negative only, 2 also negative only. That is equal to, find positive sum, these 3 numbers add, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 5, 10, okay, and these negative integers are there now, it's sum you find out, negative sum you find out, negative integer sum you find out. So 3 plus 2 plus 2, how much? 7, okay, so 7 only, but we added negative integers now, so answer is negative only, okay. So final answer 10 minus 7, what is the final answer there? 3 is the final answer, okay, like that. See, big number minus smaller number, you know. I think everything understood. One more question I will give you, okay. 4 minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 plus 1, okay, that is equal to positive number 4 positive and last 1 is positive, then all the negative numbers -2 -3 -5, just copy it down that one, then add positive number 4 plus 1, 5, negative sum 3 plus 2, 5 plus 5, 10, -10 because negative numbers we added, okay. And see, 5 minus 10, small number minus big number, now answer will be negative only in every time, so just like that immediately you can keep minus sign, otherwise I think different sign or same sign, different sign, 5 positive, 10 is negative. So 10 absolute value, you have to subtract 10 minus 5, answer is 5 only, and absolute value of 10 is greater, it is negative, so answer is negative, answer is -5, okay. So that's all about addition and subtraction. Next class is based on multiplication and division. There also I'll tell you some important tips for learning easily, okay. So now take on paper and a pen, I'll give you some questions, okay. Just keeping this in your mind, same sign addition, different sign subtraction, okay. So attend this test, okay, don't forget that one, don't avoid, okay. So first question, based on addition and subtraction only, okay. This is everything understood now, same sign, different sign and everything, same sign we will add and different sign we will subtract, okay. After subtracting, the absolute value of which number is greater, its sign we have to see, that number, that sign we have to keep in the answer, okay. I explained now, understood everything, so everything understood now. If you need a more explanation, just comment me, I will take further classes for that, okay. So first question, okay, after writing one question, pause the video and answer it, okay. Add -2 and -5. Second question, add 10 and -5. Third question, subtract, SUBTRACT, subtract -2 from 4. Fourth question, subtract 4 from -2, okay. And that much. On fifth question, -2 plus 10 minus 10 plus 7. Okay, this question. Okay, so pause the video and answer these questions. I will explain the answers now. Okay, everybody answered now. Okay, check your answer afterwards. First question, add -2 and -5. I'll explain answers here only. Okay, so -2 and -5 you have to add. Okay, put a plus symbol between them. See, now two signs near, no, so put a bracket there, place a bracket there. Okay, so whenever two different signs near, so plus and minus like that, they are near, that automatically change it to minus sign. Okay, negative and positive. Suppose 2 minus -4. So see, two negative signs near, right here, 2 minus 4. So two negative signs near, no, that automatically you should change, and next step you should write 2 plus 4 you must write. Okay, and 4 minus -4, it is 4 plus 4 you must write, answer is 8. Okay, so like that you must write. So different sign game, see 2 plus -4, here you should write it 2 minus 4 you must write, answer -2 will come last. Okay, so two different sign near, that is a calculation, just learn that. Okay, so two different sign near, minus sign you give, same sign near means minus and minus near, put a plus sign between them. Okay, so here -2 plus -5, next step -2 -5, because different sign near, no, that's why. So now see, same sign or different sign, -2 -5, same sign, add them, answer is -7. Okay, correct or not? Check your answer. Second one, add 10 and -5. So 10 and -5 you have to add. So two different sign here now, so 10 -5, that is different sign name, so minus sign, that is equal to answer +5, because absolute value of 10 is greater. Correct or not? Answer is 5. Okay, next question is subtract -2 from 4. From 4 means after from which number is there? After the letter, after the word from, which number is there? That 4. That you must write first. Okay, so 4 you write first, and next which number one subtract? -2 and subtract. Both number subtract. Why this one more minus sign? Most of them will avoid this minus sign only. You will write 4 minus 2 and answer 2 will write. See here, actually 4 first number to be subtracted. Okay, so 4 and this one next number is -2. This is subtraction sign only. So generally some questions subtract 10 and 4. So 10 minus 4 will write now. That minus is this one. So this is subtraction sign only. This is sign of the next integer only. So see, now two same sign here, two minus signs near. Put a plus symbol between them. So 4 plus 2, answer is 6 only. See, the question is subtraction. Subtract, but we added here. See, some question like that only, about the sign of an integer, sometimes we will add, sometimes we will subtract. Your teachers will tell you to be quiet. You will be quiet every time. You will shout no. Like there are some subtraction questions, sometimes you want to add also. Okay, so subtract -2 from 4 means 4 minus -2, 4 plus 2, answer is 6 will be there, positive 6. Correct or not? So like that, some more questions you the same, just change the numbers and write and practice it. Okay, then it will be understood. So don't worry. Okay, I am here to help you. And next question, subtract 4 from -2. So after from which number is there? -2. That you should write first. -2 write first. Then next number 4, both one subtract. Subtraction question only, that's why minus sign. See, now same sign or different sign? Same sign. -2 -4, same sign. Add. Okay, same sign add, different sign subtract. So answer is 6. But we added negative integer. Answer is -6. Okay. Next question is. This I explained now, -2 from. Next one is a group of positive negative number. Group every positive numbers are 10 positive and on 7 positive plus 7. Okay, and negative numbers -2 and -10. I grouped this -2 and -10 last. Now add, find positive sum 17. Find negative sum -12. 10 plus 2 12 and negative number added, so the answer is negative. That is equal to 17 minus 12 answer 5 only, no. So big number 17, it is positive answer, positive 5. So that's all for today. I think everything understood, so I am expecting your support and prayer. This is Harish Babu for HP School Max, signing off.